kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. And so guys, in this video I am going to show you a demo of my new app which I have created, and it is a photo editing app, and I have used the Instagram clone layout inside in my Android app. Alright, so now first of all, as you guys can see, I have opened uh, the project in my Android Studio. Okay, and so let's now begin our demo, and I will show you the demo of how the application is working. So if you guys need the source code of the application, so I am willing to give you, so you just need to message me. I will upload my profile link in the video description. Okay, so let's get started. So as you guys can see, I have connected my phone. So here we will open the soft image editor. So I have renamed it, and also you guys can see I have enabled and I have put on the add mob ads inside my app, so you can easily integrate your own AdMob application IDs inside this Android application, and also you can upload it on Play Store. Alright, so now first of all, as you guys can see, this is the first activity which is open. So here you will be able to see all the images which you have edited using this application. Since now it is blank, so it is showing me blank. Alright, so now there are two icons here. One is from the folder if you want to pick the image from your direct phone directly, and for this icon, this will open the phone camera built-in app, and the image will be captured, and then we will be able to make or edit the application. Alright, so now first of all, let's open and let's pick up an image. So let's say, okay, so let me have this, and I will crop it. There will be an option so that you guys can crop the image, and after crop you will click on crop image, and here you guys can see we have this image here, and these are the filters which I have here. These are all of the Instagram filters. Alright, and if I select this or some good filter here, and also we will be able, let's say we have this filter here, and if you guys click on edit, and here you guys can change the brightness. Alright, and also you guys can change the contrast of the app and also the saturation. Alright, so if you are done with the editing, you will just click on save here, and here you guys can see image saved to gallery, and this is the image which is now being shown here. Alright, so now if we close our application and if we reopen it, and here you guys will be able to see this image. Alright, all the images will be displayed here. So if we want to click on any image, and here you guys can see that it is now the image is now open, and now we can also try to edit it. Alright, so now let's go back and let's try to create open the built-in camera app, and let me check my smartphone. Okay, so here I am going to put the image, and I have clicked on capture image. Okay, and I will click on OK, and now we can crop the image. Let's say that we have it cropped, and there you go. So now you can see this is the image, and we can apply the filters here. Alright, and also if we want to change the brightness, alright, and also the contrast and the saturation. Alright, so now if we click on save, and as you guys can see, this is now the two images are now being shown here. Alright guys, so that is it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you want the source code, just message me on the link which I have uploaded in the video description. Alright guys, so goodbye.